case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
An intriguing case unfolded in 1881, when the United States Circuit Court for the Western District of Pennsylvania found itself evaluating the complexities of contract law and market fluctuations in Missouri Furnace Company versus Cochran. In the heart of the dispute was a contract, subsequently broken by John M. Cochran, which stipulated the sale and delivery of 36,621 tons of Connellsville coke to the plaintiff Missouri Furnace Company. After delivering a mere 8,765 tons, Cochran retracted the remainder of the agreement. This prompted Missouri Furnace Company to scramble for a replacement contract with Hutchinson, securing the delivery of 29,587 tons of coke, albeit at a steeper price. Caught between an original contract and its more expensive alternative, the legal conundrum was tossed at a jury with clear instructions. The task? To tally up damages based not on the augmented cost of the Hutchinson contract, but rather the disparity between the original contract price and the market value of the coke at the time it should have been delivered. The result? A substantial recompense of $22,171.49 awarded to Missouri Furnace Company. Cochran, finding this outcome drastic, demanded a new trial, arguing that the rule followed to calculate damages was erred. Unfortunately for Cochran, the appeal fell on deaf ears. The court ruled that damages ought to be the difference between the contract price and market value at the designated time and location of delivery, consistent with the general principle of contract law. This decision held ground, even as the coke market plunged following an unprecedented peak. Therein lies the intriguing tale of Cochran versus Missouri Furnace Company, a case that reinforces the gravity of contract breaches and the potent consequences they can elicit. The court's denial of a new trial further cements this notion, demonstrating that speculative market dips and subsequent contract renegotiations do not absolve one from their initial obligations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.